Hi guys, I hope you guys watched my other video on how to take the front bumper cover off the 2019 Forester. And some of you guys might want to see how to take the grill off. While we got the bumper off, I'm going to show you guys how to take the grill off the bumper. Maybe you want to buy a sport grill if they make it, or modify one or paint it or wrap it or something. Here's the bumper. Very self-explanatory. One Phillips screwdriver screw right here. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Take these 4 screws out, and then you see these little tabs. If you just push on these tabs, the grill will come out. And these 2 weird-looking, these guys right here. Remove these first, and then remove all the screws on the bumper themselves. All 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then these are just little clips. They're spring loaded, so if you just take your fingernail and just push them, it will push back and the grill will slide off. That's honestly as simple as taking the grill off the bumper. I don't want to take it off because it's that simple.